Are you guys sick of your kicker gear puller going like this? Where's all the pieces? Well, get ours from Fast Eddy Co. It stays together. It's great. It saves you so much frustration. Here it is. It pulls the starter clutch off or the kicker gear, and you're good to go. Made in USA, as always. Hey guys, Chris from Fast Eddy Co. talking to you about the number 42 kicker gear puller. This pulls the starter clutch, aka kicker gear, off of any Big Twin 4-speed. Any Big Twin with a kicker 1936 to 1986, plus any aftermarket 4-speed. This gear is pressed onto a taper and, you know, forced on with a nut, and they can really get stuck on there, especially if somebody used some green Loctite when they did it, which I would caution against because it can actually get under the bushing of the gear that does need to move that's right next to it, which is this one. So how to use the tool, it's super simple. I'm sure everybody would figure it out. But you know, you have to spread those gears apart against the spring, just create a little bit of a gap. And then that's where you put the lip of the tool. So slide one half in that gap around the gear, and then slide the other half around the gear. Put your support ring on. Bolt the pulling tool to those pieces, and then hold this while you spin that. Pops the gear right off. So you need a big crescent wrench or a 1-inch opening wrench for the block, and then a 3/4 inch wrench for the screw. And then you just crank it till it pops the gear off. Oh, I was on there. They're usually on there. And there's the gear. And that's it. I mean, this is really good heat-treated tool steel, built to last, and it stays together, won't fall apart. You won't lose any of the pieces. It's not a cheap one to make, but it's really, there's only a couple good options out there, and I think ours stands with the best of them. So thanks a ton for your support, guys, and we look forward to launching some more new shit. Let's keep this party going.